Hello everyone, I am Supriya Lohar, working as Assistant Professor at All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. I am going to talk about prefix code. So, prefix code is type of the source coding scheme. What do you mean by source coding? It's a efficient representation of the data, and for source code should be uniquely decodable. That means original sequence, source sequence can be reconstructed perfectly from the encoded binary sequence. So for this uniquely decodable feature, we have to define prefix condition. Now what do you mean by prefix? That is the initial part of any code word, or we can say few initial bits is called as prefix. And what do you mean? How do you define prefix code? That is, this prefix of any code word should not be any other code word. Prefix code is defined as a code in which no code word is the prefix of the any other code word. So consider this example. Consider these three examples. First, code 1. S0 is 0, S1 is 1. So no problem for these two code words. Now S2. See, S2 is 0, 0. So this 0 is prefix. So this prefix is nothing but the any other code word. So it's the same as this S0. This prefix of S2 is same as S0. Same case for the S3. This 1 is prefix of S3 and this is same as other code word, that is S1. So code 1 is not a prefix code. Consider code 2. S0 is 0, no problem for that. S1 is 10. So prefix is not any other code word, fine. S2 is, again prefix is fine. For S3, again prefix is fine. So any prefix is not any other code word. So this is code 2 is prefix code. Now consider code 3, 0, S0, no problem. For S1, now see, this is prefix and this is same as your S0. So code 3 is not a prefix code. Only code 2 is a prefix code. Now let us see decoding. Decoding is very easy, and for that we are going to use the decision tree, which is nothing but the graphical representation of code words in a particular code. So as we have seen, code 2 was prefix code. So initially, when first bit is, we are going to consider first bit. This first bit either 0 or it could be 1. So if it is 0, then we know that S0 is 0. So we conclude that this is first bit is S0. Now if it is not 0, then it will be 1. So in that case 1, see, no. So for all remaining 3 code word, first bit is 1. So we have to find out what is the second bit and then we can come to any conclusion. So for second bit, again there are two options. It could be 0 or it could be 1. So first consider if second bit is 0. So your string will become 10. In that case, your 10 is code word S1. So we are saying that 10 is S1. Now if it is not 0, then it will be 1. So your string will become 1 1. So if you observe S2 and S3, first two bits are 1 1. So we need to find out what is third bit. Once we know third bit, then and then we can conclude about whether it is S2 or S3. Now suppose third bit is 0, so your string will become 1 1 0, and this is nothing but your S2. So this is S2. Now if it is not 0, then it will be 1. So your string will become 1 1 1, triple 1. So S3 is triple 1, so we can see that S3 triple 1 is S3. So just by observing a encoded string received at the receiver, you can decode the sequence if it is in a prefix code. Now, if code is prefix code, then it should satisfy this Kraft-Macmillan inequality. So again, for that we need to consider this mathematical model. So prefix code has been constructed for a discrete memoryless source with source alphabet S0, S1 up to sk minus 1, and its probabilities P0, P1 up to pk minus 1. And now code word for symbol sk has length lk, where k starts from 0 to k minus 1. Then code word length is always satisfies certain inequality. We called it as Kraft-Macmillan inequality, and it is given by summation starts from k is equal to 0 to capital K minus 1. 2 raised to minus lk should be less than or equal to 1. Now this inequality should be satisfied by prefix code. But reverse is not true. If certain code satisfy this inequality, it does not mean that it is prefix code, and it is just condition is imposed on length of the code word. It does not say anything about how code word should be. It's just a condition imposed on length of the code word. So keep this thing in mind. Thank you.